Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter mixed operations. Lessons we're going to cover today are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division facts. Complete the addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division sentence. Multiplication and division facts up to 5, true or false. Multiplication and division facts up to 10, true or false. Please make sure you have your book and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I am on grade. Chapter we're on right now is mixed operations. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division facts. Okay, the first one is 18 divided by 2. So basically, addition is same as repeated subtractions. It's okay if you have the only students. I am here to teach, so nothing to worry about. You have to subtract 2 every time until you reach 0. Start with 18. 18 take away 2 is 16. 16 take away 2 is 14. 14 take away 2 is 12. So keep subtracting until you reach 0. Now you have to count how many times you have subtracted 2. You did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times you did. That means if you divide 18 by 2, the answer is 9. For the smaller numbers, it's okay to do repeated subtractions. But for the greater numbers, you cannot. So you must learn how to divide, and multiplication tables are interrelated. You need to be perfect with multiplication tables if you want to be perfect with division. So if you're still not perfect with the multiplication tables, start working on the multiplication tables now. They are very important to learn. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Nine plus 2. The correct option is 11. Option number 1 is the correct option. I think you guys are here to learn, not to make friends, isn't it? So please focus on the lesson we are on right now. 16 take away 9. You have to answer the questions I'm asking. 16 take away 9 is 7. It is option number 1 is the correct option. 16 take away 9 is 7. Very good. 5 take away 5, which is the correct option. 0 it is. Subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. 8 plus 4, which is the correct option. 8 plus 4 makes 12. Option number 2 is the correct option. 25 divided by 5. 5 times. What number is 25? 5 times 5 makes 25. So the missing number is 5. That means when you divide 25 by 5, the answer is 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. 8 take away 1, which is the correct option. 'That is 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. 7 times 1, which is the correct option. 7 times 1 is 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. 4 plus 3, which is the correct option. 'That is 7. Option number 2 is the correct option. 20 divided by 10. 10 times what number is 20? 10 times 2 is 20. Option number 2 is the correct option. 7 times 4, which is the correct option? That is 28. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is complete the addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division sentences. Let's just start with the lesson. Let's just start with the test questions. Fill in the missing number. What number minus 3 equals 4? Which number is it? That is 7 minus 3 equals 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. Fill in the missing number. That is 18. Take away 1 equals 17. Option number 1 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. What number divided by 2 equals 2? That is 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Option number 3 is the correct option. Very good. 18 divided by what number equals 3? That is 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 8 plus 3 equals 11. Option number 2 is the correct option. Five take away what number equals to? That is 5 take away 3 equals to. Option number 1 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. That is 5 divided by 1 is 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. That is 0 plus 5 equals 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. 4 plus what number equals to? That is 4 plus 1 equals 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiplication and division facts up to 5, true or false. Let's just start with the test questions. Is the number sentence true or false? 5 times 5 equals 22, which is the correct option. 5 times 5 is not 22, so false it is. 5 times 5 is 25. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is false. Three times 3 is 12, true or false? False it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 3 times 1 equals 6. 3 times 1 is 6. False it is, because 3 times 1 is 3. Is the number sentence true or false? 4 times 4 is 16. True or false? True it is. 4 times 4 makes 16. Is the number sentence true or false? 4 times 2 equals 6. False it is. 4 times 2 is not 6. That is false. Is the number sentence true or false? 5 times 1 equals 5. 'That is true. 5 times 1 is 5. 3 times 5 equals 20. False it is. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 4 equals 4. 2 times 4 equals 4. False it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 4 times 1 equals 4. 'True it is. 4 times 1 is 4. Is the number sentence true or false? 2 times 1 equals 4. That is false. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is multiplication and division facts up to 10, true or false. Let's just start with the test questions. Is the number sentence true or false? 5 times 5 equals 25. That is 5 times 5 is 25. True it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 3 times 1 equals 8. False it is. 3 times 1 is not 8. That is false. Is the number sentence true or false? 2 times 3 equals 6. True it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. Five times 4 equals 24. False it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 1 times 1 equals 1. True it is. 1 times 1 is 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. True it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. 1 times 4 equals 5. 1 times 4 equals 5. That is again false. 2 times 4 equals 4. 2 times 4 equals 4. That is false. 1 times 2 equals 4. 1 times 2 equals 4. That is false. 5 times 3 equals 18. 5 times 3 equals 18 is false. Okay, we are done with the lesson. So we were working on grade 3 math. We were working on the chapter mixed operations. The lessons we have covered today are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division facts. Complete the addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division sentences. Multiplication and division facts up to 5 true or false. Multiplication and division facts up to 10 true or false. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 math. Please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone. Just go to the website aplusstudents.com. You can see here. Let me share my screen, then I will tell you how to go to a tutor. Just look at the screen. Here you have like in statistics, you can see this button on the right corner, right? That is, you can see when I uh, go to the button, you have live chat button. So just click on the button. If you need help with language or math, you have to select here which department or math. Just select and write a message and then click on this button. You will get a tutor there. Got it? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session.